please be careful, because this one here is the super sharp, fast claw. This one is the crush. Do not get your fingers in there, okay? Now, you've got to kill it quickly. We'll do this as safe and as humane as possible. There's the cross line there. Cross, there. Knife in, and down through. And that is it. Straight into the water. Touch of salt. And that is in there for 2 minutes. We're not cooking it all the way through, we're just poaching it to release the meat from the shell.
So I'm taking mental notes in my head right now like I'm a student in one of my classes. I'm memorizing every step he does because I'm going to deshell this lobster exactly how Gordon's doing.
Now, snap off the claws. Get down to the knuckles and twist and off. And then from there, straighten out the tail and twist. So you've got all that meat left in there. Open up the tail and then just press the shell very gently. Don't crush it. Now, once you've gone 2/3 of the way through, press here and shake and carefully pull out the tail. Now, claws. Snap off the knuckles, twist and pull. You get that blade out there, okay? The blade comes out. We want these claws intact. Just gently prise out that claw and then open up the knuckles. But some of you stop at that point. There's more meat in here. The 8 legs that the majority of the population forget about. I am not going to let these legs go to waste. You start from the thin end, you place that down there, and you literally push and roll.
Wow. What?
Now, how do we present that? Let me show you. You take your tail and you just gently slice, and this helps it flatten out. That sits on your board. Your claws go on, and then your knuckles, and then very carefully, your legs. We're not done. Take this beautiful head, pull that off, open it very carefully, and then take your scissors and I'm going to trim the shell. Now, that should stand up beautifully. And then finally, take a little touch of extra virgin olive oil, just very carefully brush. It gives it a nice sheen.
Wow, my God.
That is how you extract every ounce of lobster from your shell. Got it?
Wow.